everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going fishing for the first time ever. Nora and Abigail, we are ready to go fishing, guys. Nora, where are we going?
Just hold on to a rock. A big rock.
Yep. Go sit on the rock. Don't go sit on the rock.
Oh no, a bee.
What is it?
A bee.
A bee's over there. Hi, Abs. Abs just woke up.
Abby, let's hold on to a rock.
Go hold on to the rock. Just be careful. Come, Abs. Yeah, poison ivy. These are not poison ivy, no. Poison ivy has three leaves. Hi. Yeah, these are not poison ivy. Hi, Abs. Wow, guys. Nora, be careful, Abby, be careful.
Daddy, what's a lily pad? I never seen one.
There's a lily pad, right?
Honestly, I can see an alligator.
You want to see an alligator?
Yeah, but
Abigail, what does an alligator do?
snap, 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 snap.
What does it do, Nora?
Snap, snap, snap.
Abigail, what does it do?
Dowsies.
What does it do?
Look, dowsies.
Oh.
Nut, 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 nut. I'll
Snap,
snap,
snap.
too. Where's lava?
Floor is lava?
Yeah.
Hi, Abs.
The floor is lava.
Floor is lava?
Yeah.
Hi, Nora.
Daddy, and when I say ice, then the floor is ice now.
Okay.
Ice.
Ice.
And then when you hear ice,
Yeah.
you get 10 minutes, you get another one.
Okay. 10-minute ice. Oh, you got another stone. There's so many stones, right, Nora?
Yeah. When I say time's up, then time's up.
Okay.
Mama,
Yes, baby.
Mama.
Abby, do you like this rock? Are you like a lion? Are you like a lion?
Time's up.
Time's up?
Yeah.
Okay, now the floor is lava now? Alright, guys, floor is lava. Wow, look at the ducks. Wow. No, you know, they're migrating now.
Yeah.
You know what migrating means?
Sweeping for stuff. For them is sweeping
Yeah.
to find self.
So basically,
Them is flying south.
yes, good job, because it's winter, right?
Yeah.
So now
And
they're
then
gonna go.
some have to find a warm place to make a
Good
house.
job, Nora. Are you proud of you? Oh my God.
I know a lot about the birds.
Yeah? Who taught you that?
I just knew it. I don't know.
Abby, do you know about a lot of birds? Ooh, there's like nice flower here, Abby.
Daddy, a bee might sting you.
Yeah, Abby. I'll give you one for you, Abby, Nora. Here, Nora. Abby, no running. Slow down, slow down.
I'm gonna give this to my mom.
Alright, let's give it to Mommy. Yeah, the goose. Nora was telling me. Nora, now what did you just tell me about the geese? They're flying.
The geese were flying south
South, why, Nora?
because they had to find a one place to find a house.
You know that. Good, no, good. All right, Nora and Daddy were sitting, and then we are trying to find a butterfly, Nora.
In a rainbow.
A rainbow butterfly.
Yeah, in a rainbow over the sky.
I know you never
But
seen
then
a.
it's harder to see.
Yeah, it's harder to see.
Let's find 12.
Oh, you want to find a trout? Do you want to find a rainbow trout or a brown trout?
Rainbow trout.
Rainbow trout.
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you know the rainbow trout?
We just saw one.
It has rainbow dots, right? Hi, Abs. Oh, you hurt your feet, your hands? Show Daddy you hurt. Oh. You have a boo-boo? Oh yeah, where is it? I think that's a leaf. Is that a leaf or a butterfly?
It's a butterfly.
It's a leaf, I think. Oh, you got your boots. I like your boots, Ab. All right, look. Guys, what are you doing? Noah's fishing? Did you caught any fish? Slow, slow, slow. Slow. Slow, slow, slow. Oh! Let's go see what Papa is doing.
Hey, getting ready to put a string on the line.
Yeah, he's like, there's a lot of stuff here.
Oh, thank you, sir.
The kids are watching Pop-Ups put a line on the fishing rod. And Nora and Abigail, they're helping the Pop-Ups. Abigail, are we gonna catch a big fish
Yeah.
or a small fish?
Fish.
If small fish?
Yeah.
No, do you wanna catch a big or small fish?
And catch this big fish.
This big fish? How big?
A daddy fish.
Daddy fish. Okay.
I love you, Daddy.
Oh, I love you too, baby. Alright, so it's almost ready.
I'm gonna hold this for you, Papa.
I think we're gonna put the mealworm, or are we gonna put the worm?
Square.
Calamari. Alright, it's still reeling. Yeah. Alright, Pop-Ups and the kids are fishing. And the brownies are there. Yeah, nice weather for the fish.
I don't know. Let's see how long it takes.
Alright, it's fishing.
He'll get a chance. He'll get a chance.
Good job, Nora. Did you catch any fish? Fishy, 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 where are you? Nora wants to catch you. Catch the biggest one, okay, Nora?
Put this.
What is that, Abby? Oh, yeah, you have to put it. That's a fish food. So we have to put it in the fishy. Right, Abs?
Okay. Oh.
Alright, Pop-Up's gonna help you with the cast. Did you catch any fish, Nora? Oh, there it is. Is that one? Oh, that was just a weed.
Seaweed.
I thought that was a fish, Nora.
All right.
Papa's gonna cast it for you.
Me.
Okay, now Abigail's turn. Bless you, baby.
When you see a what, then that's where it is.
Good job, Nora.
Good job, Nora. There's a lot of migratory birds right now here. You can see a lot of birds over there. Right, Nora?
Yep. I have to climb up here. See?
What the Pop-Up's casting? Uh-oh, we got it! Oh, we got a leaf! Was that a leaf or a fish, Nora?
I thought it was a fish. We never had
Oh, look at the birds! There's so many birds flying today.
Abigail's gonna have a turn. We're gonna take
Yeah, you'll
turns.
both get a turn. I'm gonna cast it out and then
Nora, are you ready with the net? Can you show Daddy your net? Nora. Don't go in the water. We have to wait until you catch the fish. Now, can you show me your net? Wow, that's a big net. Do you think we're gonna catch a big fish? Abby, do you think we're gonna catch a big fish or a small fish?
Small fish.
Small
I'll
fish?
show you where it ends.
Yes, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
This weather is nice, right, today?
Yeah, I love this weather.
And coming fishing, this is a nice place too to fish with the kids, right?
Yes. How are you feeling?
Feeling good. Should have got like more than one rod though. So kids didn't have to take turns, but I guess that's fine. Papa's gonna cast. Expert fisherman. Oh, that's a long cast. Come, Abs. The girls are fishing with pop-ups. And
Okay.
Abs, did you catch a fish? Catch a fish, okay? Abby just said that I'm gonna try my best. That was so funny.
That was so cute.
Yeah.
I brought the cannoli and brownie, Dad.
Oh!
You want to finish your cookie?
Oh, we got a big fish. Can you do it again, Abs? Can you do that again? Oh, we got a big fish. Catch another fish again. Oh, we got a big fish. You silly goose. All right, fishing and eating cannoli. I don't know whether that's a good combination, but this is what we have. Cannoli. Let me just see how it is. All right, let me try this cannoli. Seven. It's okay. They switch the position right now. So let's see if they can catch it. These are all the animals and the fish that you get here. Wow, they have the red fox too. The groundhog, we have the bluegill fish. Nora found a friend. Now we are walking inside the woods. Hi guys. Nora? Hi Abby.
I remember this forest.
You remember this forest, Nora?
I went to when I was 3.
Oh yeah, when you were 3 we used to walk a lot here, right?
Yeah. I was 3 down here.
Okay. Wow, that's a stream right there. Do you think there are fish over there?
Daddy, look.
Yeah.
I thought that stream takes us to go.
Yeah. It's such a beautiful area here. Alright guys. Slow down now. Wait for mommy. Alright, Nora's trying to net fish. Good job, Nora. Did you catch any?
No.
Oh,
So close.
try it again. Look at that view, guys. It's so beautiful. This.
I did not get a fish.
You didn't get any fish? Oh. We saw a lobster earlier.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
In the water?
Yeah. Small baby lobster. Alright, we switch locations. And
Not quite.
kids are waiting patiently to get a fish. There's a soccer match going on over there too. That's why there's a lot of noise. Abby, you gonna catch who?
Yeah.
You're gonna catch who?
Let me cast it out.
Abby's really excited. Are you gonna catch Pop? Abby, did you catch a big fish?
No.
No? Maybe next time?
Okay, go
Next time we're gonna catch a big one, okay?
Go for it, okay?
Alright, teaching Abigail. Kids are fishing. Now mommy is teaching kids to fish.
Keep it up. Keep it up in the air.
Alright guys, I guess that was it for today's video. We tried but we could not catch any fish. But next time we're gonna come again and then hopefully we're gonna catch a big fish, right Abby?
Yeah.
You think we're gonna catch a big fish next time?
What fishy?
Oh, Papa loves fishy. Abby loves fishy too?
Yeah. What baby fishy?
You like baby fishy?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, until then, see you guys. Bye.